Stock number 41352G. It's a 2011 Ford Explorer, and it does not have a key. You can see the front bumper's no good. Front bumper's no good. The headlight's good. The grille's good. That headlight's good. The hood's good. See, the passenger fender's good. Passenger door's good. Passenger side view mirror's good. Passenger back door's good. Quarter panel's good. The rear bumper's no good. The deck lid's no good. Tail lights are good though. This quarter panel's good. Rear door's got a paint problem. The driver door's got a parking lot ding. Fender's good. All the rims and tires are good. It does not have a key. Seats are automatic. Seatbelt's good. It does not have a sunroof. Seatbelt's good. This is stock number 41352G. It's a 2011 Ford Explorer. Does not have a key.